Kamusta ng mga buhay-buhay natin dyan? Another day, another discussion. And this time, this is another promotion. Hello, good morning once again. Welcome to my channel, Teacher Timmy Talks. At ngayon, pag-uusapan naman natin yung other side ni Teacher Timmy. At this side is yung side ni Teacher Timmy bilang author. Yes po, mga kabayan. Ako po ay isang author. And yung passion ko sa writing started when I was in college. Actually, high school pa lang, nagsusulat na ako. Kaso, wala kaming school paper at that time. So, hindi ako nabigyan ng chance to write for the school. But when I was in college, we have this school publication sa University of St. Louis.
Wow!
That's why, na-join ako, syempre. Kasi nga, talagang ang first one, super sulat talaga ng kung anik-anik. I'm into features, ganon. More on short stories and yung mga love kineso, na mga love story kineso. Yan, ganyan. But, now that I am already a teacher, napag-isipan ko din na magsulat ng mga mas seryosong content. So, aside from content creation sa mga online platforms ko, I also write on my spare time. And last year, December, ayan, mag-1 year na pala, ginanahan tayo na magsulat. It started nung mga bandang October hanggang November na nagkaroon ng 1 month na walang pasok. Diba? Because of the ulan-ulan, torrential rain dito sa Cagayan. And because of that, ginanahan si Teacher Timmy na magsulat. Na-inspired na rin ako sa mga content, yung mga kino-content ko. Kaya yun, sabi ko, why not write it? Para, you know, of course, for your information, sa mga hindi pa, yung mga first time sa channel ko, I am a person with disability. I have retinitis pigmentosa. Yun ay isang rare na eye illness wherein it is leading to blindness. That's why I maximize my time and of course my potential para gawin lahat yung mga bagay na gusto kong gawin na nagbibigay ng kasiyahan sa akin. And I hope you will support me. So sa channel ko, subscribe naman to my channel, Teacher Timmy Talks. Follow me on Facebook, on TikTok. Ano pa ba? Lahat na, Teacher Timmy Talks. Tapos, this time, I will show you, ilalagay ko na lang dyan somewhere sa screen, yung mga naisulat ko. And I have written 6 books in total. And e-books po siya. Nasa, member po ako ng Amazon Author Center and Central, Amazon Author Central. And I wrote e-books through Kindle Books ng Amazon. Kasi yung publisher ng Amazon ay, of course, this is US-based, no? Kindle Books, ang tawag po doon. So, the first one is entitled, the first one that I wrote, actually, hindi ito yung first one, pero ito yung, ewan ko ba, most popular na chinecheck nila sa online. So, ito siya. This is Beyond Survival, Cultivating Financial Literacy for Filipinos. Yan. Beyond Survival. I-search niyo po yung Teacher Timmy Talks sa Amazon or use my real name. It's Fatima Shazon Lagman. Search niyo po sa Amazon. Then you will find my 6 books over there. But just for this vlog today, I will put the link on the description box para po pag-click nyo, makikita nyo na lahat. I run through all my ebooks in Amazon. And please do buy. Yan. Pa-Christmas gift nyo na sa akin. So, Beyond Survival, Cultivate Financial Literacy for Filipinos. Tinarget ko talaga ang Filipinos kasi I'm an advocate of financial literacy, especially to Filipinos, particularly to OFWs, overseas Filipino workers, because I am a former OFW and I've seen how Filipinos, mga galawan sa abroad, and how I also realized how families back home spend the money of the OFW and how the OFW suffers. Yan. So, my second book, so yan, financial literacy is just like 188 pages na kwento and financial literacy. Tapos, ang tinatarget talaga is OFWs. It's in English, by the way, because I'm selling it in Amazon. Yan. So if you want a Tagalog version of that, just put a comment below. Drop a comment and I will write a Tagalog version of that. My second book is entitled The Echoes of Radio Romance and Real Estate. Actually, this is my personal favorite because this is my life story. The Echoes of Radio Romance and Real Estate. Like, this, ang plot twist niya, yung una is meeting how I met my husband. Then, I used to work as a radio jockey, isa akong DJ sa isang local radio station in Tuguegarao City at that time. Then I met him. Then yun yung gist ng part 1. And then the part 2 was yung struggles of the married life, my married life. Then, by the way, I have been married for 23 years now.
Oh my God!
Of course. Then, what else? Yun, couple, mga kwento, stories. Then, hanggang sa nag-abroad kami, yung journey namin sa pagiging OFW because both of us were OFWs. Then, yung plot twist, how we discovered real estate selling in Dubai. Yan. So, yun yung echoes. Kaya nga nagkaroon ako ng training and passion on financial literacy. Yun. May onting love story, tsaka struggle, and basta ganon. Now, my third book is entitled Beyond the Shadows, a roadmap to healing and new beginnings. Ito naman sa Beyond the Shadows, it's more of pang mental health ang atake, yung tipong lahat ng tao may pinagdadaanan kasi it's based on true story na rin because marami na akong, of course, standards na natin sa edad ko na. I have a lot of experiences, mga highs and lows and all that, and then yung pakikisama, it's about friendship and relationships, and it is, sabi nga dito, mastering the art of letting go, seeking new experiences, and embracing vulnerability and strength. Part of it, parang self-love, yan, how to practice self-love, and how to let go, yun. And how to start, how to refresh, yun. Ang title niya is Beyond the Shadows. Pang third na yun, no? Now we are on my fourth book. Ito naman, the focus is talagang real estate na siya. Yan. Invest like a pro. Mastering the basics of real estate investing. Ito naman ako content ko na talaga yung anong types ng real estate properties, why do we need to invest in real estate, tapos yung mga nitty-gritty ng real estate investing, tapos yung basta from day one of investing planning sa real estate hanggang sa reaping the fruits of your labor. Ganon yun. Sabi nga ni Pastor Dan sa aming mentor sa Dubai noon, you reap what you sow. Diba? So, kung anong tinanim, siya mo ring aanihin. So, again, ang title ng fourth book ko is Invest Like a Pro, Mastering the Basics of Real Estate Investing. Ayan. Next is, pang-limang book ko naman is The Millennial Playbook. Kasi at one point in my life, I was curious, ano nga ba ang mga, kasi may lesson kasi kami sa ESP. And, nung tinuro ko yung topic na yon, nagkaroon ako ng interest. Tapos, naisip-isip ko, ano nga ba may isang content din ako about that. Check my YouTube channel, Teacher Timmy Talks. Subscribe to my channel as well. And makikita nyo yung thoughts ko about millennials. Sabi nga nila, the most resilient generation ay mga millennials. Mag-agree yung mga iba, mag-disagree yung iba, pero millennial tayo, so wala tayong magagawa. Yan ang sabi ko, charis. Yan ang sabi ni Teacher Timmy. Ang sabi dito, The Millennial Playbook, a blueprint for guiding Gen Z and Alpha Kids. Actually, itong The Millennial Playbook, yung how bridging the gap between Gen Z and the Alpha Kids or the Gen Y, yung mga millennials, to the Gen Z. Ganon. So, paano yung tatlong generations na yon na maiintindihan, magkakaintindihan. Yon. Tapos, ang point ko dito is sa perspective, sa perception ng isang parent. Bilang isang parent na millennial, paano pag ang anak mo ay Gen Z, tapos yung mga ibang anak mo na ay Alpha Kids? How should we understand? How should we get to that point na nagkakaintindihan tayo? Diba? So, yun. May mga tips, parental tips, kineso. Yan. So, Millennial Playbook. And my last book na medyo, ito yung isa sa mga pinakamatagal kong ginawa kasi I had to put myself sa shoes ng husband ko kasi hindi naman niya nagpapa-interview sa akin. Like, masinsinang usapan. Hindi. So, based on my observation, tapos pasundot-sundot na tanong-tanong, ganon. Kasi this is about him. Yan. Ang passion kasi ni husband is into rides, long rides talaga. Nakikisali yan sa endurance, nag-president yan ng club, Riders Club. Riders Club, ganon. So, ginawan ko din siya ng book. And ito naman, ang title ng sixth book ko, again, it's in English, and again, nasa Kindle Books sa Amazon Store. Revving Up for Life. Ayan. Embracing Adventures on Two Wheels and Self-Discovery. So, again, ang last book ko is Revving Up for Life. Yan. So, of course, rev up. Siya, ito naman, story ni husband to. Revving Up for Life based on my husband's true story. So, just click the link. Ilalagay ko yan sa description box ko. Tapos, order naman kayo. Yeah. It's an ebook. Pinag-iisipan ko pa kung i-hard copy ko siya kasi I can request Amazon to print hard copies for me. Pero siguro, iniisip ko, dito na lang sa local, ako magpapa-hard copy. So, hahanapin ko na naman ulit yung enthusiasm ko when it comes to writing books. Mahirap. Mag-content is okay. Kasi I can just do my research few minutes and then salpak ako sa live. Tapos, iko-content ko, do my edits on CapCut and then gawan ko siya ng thumbnails and all. Tapos, upload ko na siya, then tags and all, hashtags. Pero, when it comes to book, gumugugol ako noon, talaga nagkulong ako. Like, buong month, nagkulong. More than a month. Eksakto naman tag-ulan noon. So, talagang hindi ako nakalabas-labas. Mas nakakonsentrate ako. And now, with my work as a teacher, I go to school and all that. Ang hirap. Kasi once na nawalan ka ng gana, like, hindi naman nawalan ng gana, pero yung, naputol yung momentum mo when it comes to writing a book. Parang nawawalan ka na rin nadidiskaril, kumbaga. Nawawala ka sa direction, sa focus. And because of that, parang wala, hindi mo siya matapos, hindi ka magagandahan. Kasi ako, when I wrote these 6 books, dire-diretso yan. To support my ebooks on Amazon, Kindle books, just search my name, Teacher Timmy Talks, or my real name. Again, thank you so much for watching. This is Teacher Timmy saying, happiness is a choice. So always choose to be happy. God bless everyone. Bye-bye.